Hey, what is up my friends? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be unboxing and benchmarking the RTX 3050 Asus Dual OC edition. Now I bought this one on Amazon for 350 euros, which is actually not a bad deal considering the extremely high prices of last year. Now without any further ado, let's just go right into the video. Alright, so we have everything installed, and here's a quick overview of all the technical aspects of the GPU, and let's just go try out some games. Now make sure you are subscribed to the channel because I will be testing many more games on this GPU with this system or with different systems, but those will come at a later date. I'm just going to pick some random games now to test, and I'm just going to pick a few of the most popular games which most people will play, so you have at least an idea on how it will perform. All right, let's go into the benchmarking. Okay, let's just start off with some Cyberpunk on 1080p. I'll switch during the video. This is ultra settings 1080p. Let me just show you. Graphic settings, ultra 1080p. And the temperatures are pretty impressive. Thus far, I've not seen it go like above 70, which is really good. Some really good temperatures for such a two-fan little machine. Also, the clock seems to be very stable. It's not drawing too much power. And I mean, it's running the game beautifully. It's only a 3050. It's not like the highest end GPU there is, but it's doing a phenomenal job. Now, do keep in mind we're having DLSS on, and I'm kind of curious because I haven't tried it out yet how it does when we turn on 1440p. So let's just try that. Let's just switch it here. So let's switch 1440p. Bam. Yeah, it was to be expected. It struggles a little bit with 1440p. I guess that's fine. I mean, this is an extremely GPU intensive game. I mean, it's not that bad. If you would lower the settings, this would be perfectly playable. Okay, so here we're gonna play some Call of Duty Warzone. Just join a solo match. 1080p. Now I'm using the resolution slider, which is nicer because the benchmark stays the same size. Details. Ultra settings. And it's actually running beautifully. Does a really good job. No lag, no hiccup whatsoever. We're on a little bit less demanding side of the map. But even on the more demanding sides of the map, you run it at a good 70, 80-ish FPS on ultra settings. And I know you want to see competitive settings or whatever. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see those. Because I'm just going to test or stress test the system with higher settings during these videos. Now, let's try it at 1440p, see how that is. There we go, 1440p. Also, phenomenal job. DLSS does a fantastic job. It's perfectly playable with 1440p. Once again, the system or the temps are incredibly good. It's not audible, the video card. Not in my case, at least. It's just not audible. It's fantastic. I really love this card. So if you're looking for a cheap entry card or you're on a budget, I would highly consider this. I mean, it's a great card. Last game, Battlefield 2042. Everybody loves this game, of course. I mean, there's no bugs. It's a flawless game. Jokes aside, this is a kind of heavy game to test. So we're currently playing 1080p ultra settings, DLSS set to quality. Now, if you want to see more games, let me know down in the comments what game and what settings you want to see. With what video card, because I have multiple. I have a 3080 Ti, I have a 3060 Ti, a 3050, and I have a 2080 Ti. So just let me know what you want to see. Now, this game also, it has no problems, and I was kind of surprised with this, because this game runs like total crap on 3060 laptops. It's terrible. But it seems to be doing quite okay here. It's just graphically very, very intensive. I'm gonna hit it? Of course not. Oh, it wasn't me, man. I didn't shoot that. Oh, it jumped. Now he's vulnerable. Okay, he's not vulnerable. He's invulnerable. Die! That was too far away. I wasn't focusing on gameplay. I had lag. My mouse was lagging. My keyboard was away. Okay, let's try 1440p. 1440p. Battlefield 2042. I must say I am surprised. I think it also has partially to do with latest patch. With how good it is doing. Because latest patch definitely improved the performance. But I can't say this is bad performance for a super cheap graphics card. It's like the lowest budget of the Nvidia cards of the new series. And it's doing fantastic. Hello? Right. What is that? It's like something waving in my face. The grass is always greener at the neighbors. I need to get at least a kill, right? Yes, I got a kill. Quickly shut out the game and go to the outro. Woo! Guys, thank you so much for watching. That was the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I also test laptops, GPUs, systems, everything that has to do with gaming and tech. So if you're into that, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.